What's up, team? First, this again, Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So today I'm here again to do another juicing. We're here to do another juicing video. So these are everything that I'm going to use. I've already washed and cleaned, and I like to peel off the skin of my cucumber and apple. I like to get rid of the skin. So these are what I'm going to be juicing today. This is one apple, one cucumber, celery, ginger and lemon. So these are everything, and I'm going to be using this juicer. Excuse my daughter in the background, please. I really like to drink this in the evening and sometimes in the morning, like after done with everything I'm doing. I just juice it and I just sit down on the couch and just drink it, and it just feels so good and I feel really good. I sleep good. When I wake up in the morning, I have so much energy and I really like it. So I'm going to show you guys how I do this. It's pretty late at night, so yeah, this is everything, and I'm just going to do a quick juicing for you guys. I really love this juicer. It's pretty expensive. This thing cost me almost 400 euros, but I didn't regret buying it for that much because it has made me want to juice more, and I'm really happy. I'm really happy with the result, and I really love juicing. So yeah, let's get into this video. If you guys have any question, please let me know in the comment box. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let's jump into this tutorials. So guys, this is the finished result. As you guys can see, I got a lot of juice. So this is the finished result. I'm about to just sit down on my couch, watch some movie, and then drink me some juice. I really love it. I have some more recipes coming for you guys, but if you guys have anything else that you guys want me to try, please let me know. And this thing is so easy to wash. When I'm done, I just like to wash it and put it, so when I'm ready to juice again, it's easy going. So yeah, this is it. If you guys like this video, give this video a thumbs up. That is how I know that you guys like it. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really appreciate it. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace out. Bye.